So this is a small tool that I built called HandRoll. It's a really simple app. For me, it feels kind of like a missing gap in Codex, where I'm still somewhat of a programming student, or I'm interested in syntax and interested in figuring out how things work. So I wanted to make an app that brought back a little bit of friction and lets the user look up close at problems and problem solving. So yeah, that's what this is. It's really basic. You can see we've booted up a new session, and we can see the agent's chain of thought, and we can see some suggestions. So yeah, for in range 3. Nice. All right, for in range 3. Print hello world. So that's nice. We have our suggested kind of code from the linter. So yeah, there's not a single new feature here. I would say pretty much every IDE has the ability to install kind of an agentic linter or, get suggestions from an agent. But I wanted to make something where that's like the first class object. So let's run it. We're going to see in a moment how this works. Now that we've written out, our code example, I can hit save. And then it's now getting passed to our normal, like Codex, normal ChatGPT workflow. And it's going to have access to the code that we rolled, and we can just say, sweet, run the code. Okay, it already ran the code. Let's see the output, though. Hello world, hello world, hello world. So yeah, this is basically an educational tool at this point, because I don't know about you guys, but I consider rolling syntax to be increasingly something that is going the way of the dinosaurs. But I think that it's crucial that we as developers and as technical, people continue to engage with harder problems in programming. And I think that for me, I've been trying to learn more machine learning over the last year and just brush up in general. So I wanted an app that would add friction and be a little more challenging. Of course, you can also, generate code into HandRoll. Generate an RNN that learns to say hello world as a file in HandRoll.